Dude, what is that?
What's what?
That!
Hiccups. Had them all week. I can't get rid of them.
Well, it's not helping me out very much. I'm trying to kick Sexy Phil's ass.
Yeah, I know they're annoying.
Have you at least tried getting rid of them?
Yes, I've tried to get rid of them, asshole.
We're taking care of it. I got some ideas. Alright, keep gargling. You know what? I forgot a little something. Open your mouth. That should work. That work? Damn.
What?
Dude! That didn't work. Dude! It's not working! Yeah, it's not working. You know what? Let's try something else. Okay, hold your breath. Hold it. Hold it. Alright, now do not let go until I tell you to, or I'm going to slap you again. Alright, hold it. Hang on a second. I'll be right back. Yeah. Actually, I am a regular customer of yours. No, your magazines are great, yeah. Sure, I'll take a survey. You know what? Hang on just a second. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Oh, yeah, no, I got time, trust me.
What was that?
Pathetic. I've got another idea.
Dude, what are you doing now?
I know just how to fix your problem. Let's do this.
I don't even think I have hiccups anymore, man. I think it worked.
Well, now what are we gonna do?